Look, SPACs don't really make sense for most businesses. And you had some really smart people that were finding those certain cases where SPACs made sense. Then we had this euphoria, and it made no sense. So when there were a couple dozen, when I did my first SPAC in 2018, there were 500 when I did my last SPAC, and the industry wasn't all good business people. You know, there were scammers and schemers and blowhards, and there were people putting out absurd projections that there was absolutely no hope of ever meeting, and you know, it was a real problem. So it's no surprise that regulators have stepped in, right, and made raising and operating a SPAC more difficult. I think what we're seeing with respect to SPACs is a bit of a slow death, maybe not even that slow, but I suspect, just like in 2017, in 2023, you're never going to talk about SPACs.
I was going to say, this is not a Lazarus moment.
No,
they come back from the dead. This is SPACs now have a kind of a dirty name from the bad guys who got into it.
Yeah, no, they're gone. I mean, there's 600 now total. 2/3 expire in the end of the first quarter through the end of the beginning of the third quarter next year. And
because you have a year.
2 years roughly.
2 years to get
18 months to 2 years. Yeah, and so they're going to disappear. And then on this show, you won't utter the word SPAC, I suspect, in 2024, more than once or twice. I think capital markets also completely dead. I'll give you a stat. There have been 4 IPOs in June. There were 91 in June of 2021. So completely dead. I mean, investors.
But this is a Lazarus situation.
Yeah,
IPOs
exactly.
will come back.
Exactly. Absolutely, without question. But it's going to be a long time. I think people who think they're going public in the back half of this year are wrong. It'll be 2022 at the earliest. And then crypto, I think, looks more like capital markets than it does like SPACs. It's a painful moment. I think retail has been smoked. I don't think retail's coming back anytime soon. And it's going to really impact some of the big business models in crypto that are oriented around retail and that have been generating massive fees on retail. That's not coming back anytime soon. It's going to take years to build back up the base of retail.
It was just as institutional was getting a little bit of a footing, too, that the retail left. But that obviously didn't counteract what happened in retail. You saw crypto space was $3 trillion. It's now $975 billion.
Yeah.
And that pain is spread around, I guess, mostly retail.
It's mostly retail. I mean, Terra Luna, mostly Stella retail Luna. Outside the United States.
You remember Stella Luna?
No.
Beautiful bat.
It's a children's book. So with SPACs, just for a second,
yeah.
I mean, anything can work. It's just a means to an end to bring a company public.
Right.
But one of the advantages was you could do it quicker because you didn't have to really do any of the due diligence. Is there a way of doing what you need to do to protect people and still do it quickly as a SPAC?
Well, with a SPAC, it was a merger as opposed to an IPO.
Right, but that was what you were affecting.
It allowed for a more easy path to getting public because you could do things
that was the problem.
You could do things, well, according to the SEC, it was a problem. They've put out a proposed rule that would put an end to that. It'll treat it pretty much the same as an IPO,
okay.
and then you're just going to lose the benefits. The benefits of a SPAC are going to be very, very rare.
Which is why it's going to go away, because you'll just do an IPO. Why?
Exactly.
Why bother?
You might see a handful. Of new SPACs because there are some special cases I could talk through, but honestly, it's not even worth it because it's going to be such a tiny little corner of the capital markets.
You had to be like a really serious individual to run the New York Stock Exchange. Could you be fooled by a Ponzi scheme if that's what Bitcoin and crypto is? I mean, you have to be really, really stable, and you need to look at all these things. Are you being fooled, or is it something that will be long lasting and it's just acting like an asset where you go into a bear market and this happens? This is not even the worst decline in Bitcoin. You see what I'm saying? I mean, there are people. But also Warren Buffett says he'd buy every Bitcoin for $25. He'll buy it when it gets to $25. It's still at $22,000. Is it overvalued by 100%?
Yeah, you're conflating Bitcoin and digital assets generally.
Bitcoin dropped from 65,000 to 20,000.
Yeah, it's volatile. And there's this whole argument of is Bitcoin a store of value? It has volatility relative to the dollar. Well, every store of value has volatility relative to the dollar. The only thing that doesn't have volatility relative to the dollar is the dollar.
There's stocks down a lot, but there's beloved stocks down a lot more on a percentage basis than Bitcoin. So I understand that it's a speculative asset. So you don't see it going away. You don't think 5 years from now we just say, wow, that tulip bulb mania is totally gone. It's here to stay.
I don't have the slightest doubt. Bitcoin.
That's what I said.
Bitcoin. In other words,
but the other crypto stuff, the stable coins,
the majority
different story.
The majority are going to go away at any point in time. It's like they're technology stocks. There's some really great innovations. There's going to be some Googles. There's going to be some, exactly. We've seen some eToys and Cosmo.com in digital assets. We've seen a few implode in the last month, a few implode in the last 48 hours, and that's going to be the case.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.